All right, we got this amazing Lamicall car phone mount. Lamicall makes amazing products. Let's give this a whirl to see if this holds up to their amazing reputation that they have in my eyes. So, take it out of the box, nice packaging. You got the main product right here. Go ahead and take it out. We will peel this off, and this is what we're going to stick to the window. And let's just go ahead and stick it to the window. So I'll just go ahead, stick it to the windshield like so. From there, you're going to want to twist that to tighten it. Once that's tightened, you're good to go. This, as you can see, angles like that. You can angle this up and down like so. You can also spin it around. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how suction-y this is to the phone. Extremely strong suction. That's good to go. And then once it's there, you can rearrange it however you want. I think this thing's amazing and it come in handy for a lot of people. Everyone needs one of these, and I highly recommend it.